I'm boy, I'm just saying I'm glad to be here. That's all I am. That's all I'm gonna say to you. I'm glad to be. Let's go.
All right, all right.
The rain can go. He eats and breathes and sleeps this, and he can go on and on and on. So I know it was a lot of information. What the rain is teaching is not going to have you eat for a lunchtime. It's going to have you eat for a lifetime.
Okay, yeah, I checked. They gone. Student like four student accounts
So
gone.
you got four student loans deleted?
Yeah, with the student loan letters, they took them all. So that was a big thing.
Koi, what's up?
Hi, how are you?
I am great. Better now that I'm speaking to you. How are you?
I'm doing great. I actually just did your YouTube your video live where you were talking about child support.
Mm,
Amazing,
thank you.
amazing, amazing. I'm definitely joining the university without a doubt.
Let's go.
She get into. I brought my sister here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we have the same last name. She's on here.
Okay, okay, sister. Let's go. I
Yes,
hope this
we
is.
doing it. We doing it.